Hey Mom, this is Bryce. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to install the um, Get so that it'll work for the install program. Um, so the first thing you want to do is go to the website, um, which is here, and you're going to go ahead and save the file. It may look a little bit different on your computer, but the important part is once it's downloaded, you'll just want to go ahead and run the installer. And then I'm going to walk you through the steps of how everything um, all the different settings need to be selected. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click run. Okay, in just a moment the installer is gonna pop up. Okay, it should look like this. So on this first screen, we're gonna click next, accept the license. Um, I like to click, um, yeah, this is actually fine with the default setting. Okay, click next. And this is the most important part right here, run get and included Unix tools from the Windows command prompt. So you just want to select this option at the bottom. So this is the really important part. Um, okay, and then go ahead and leave it to open SSH. You can leave that setting at the top one. Check out Windows style. This isn't super important. And then you should be good to go. I'm going to go ahead and pause that for just a second while it installs. Okay, and while I was waiting for that to install, it told me that certain programs were in use. So in this case, I had a folder open with Windows Explorer. So I just closed the folder. And when I click refresh, it should be okay. Let's try it again. I'm just going to try closing this too. Give it one more go. I think it should be fine. It says closing is optional, so we should be okay. And that should be fine. Okay, and we'll see that it's running. It should be done in just a moment then. Okay, so get installed. We don't need to read the release notes, so I'm just going to uncheck this, and we're all done. And just to test to make sure that it's working, all you need to do is go to the Start menu and type CMD. That should pull up the a DOS-style command prompt. And all you need to do is just type get in. And you should see something like this to show you that it's working. If it's not working, when you type get, you'll see something like this is not a recognized system command, and you'll know that it's not ready to go. So if you type in get and you see all of this, just a whole bunch of information on how to use get, then you know you're all set and the installer should be good to go. All right, let me know if you have any other questions or if there's any issues running this. Another thing to note is when you run the install.bat file, it should run, um, it should take about 15 to 20 minutes or so to run. It may take a little longer or a little less. I'm not sure how fast your internet is, um, but it'll take several minutes. It won't run right away. So, um, but it'll show you it's doing all kinds of things. So anyway, hope that clarifies some of these questions. All right, bye, Mom.